Namaste and welcome to Namaste Yoga. My name is Surabhi. I'm a yoga teacher. The goal of my channel is to tell you all those little tips and tricks that many yoga teachers know, but somehow in class settings they do not get conveyed to the students. In today's video, I'm going to talk about cat-cow breathing. It's a very simple breathing. People use it to warm up their body or warm up their spine. It's really good for spine, but being as simple as it is, there are many common mistakes, very simple mistakes that people make in it. So let's dissect cat-cow breathing today. Start the cat-cow breathing. Always make sure that the distance between your knees is one arm to your fist, one arm. Once you have the distance between the knee corrected, then the distance between the knees and your hands should be one arm and a palm. And always make sure that you're keeping your palm open all the way. Do not keep your hands like this. If you keep your fingers open, it's going to take a lot of weight off from your wrist. So one arm and a palm. Making sure that your shoulders and your wrist are in one line. So that's the key. And once we start, we inhale up and our belly drops down, and you should feel the stretch on your throat, right? And as you exhale, you curl your back like a cat. And inhale, belly drops down, feel the stretch on the throat. Exhale, curl your back. Now, if you're suffering from lower back, it's a really good idea to include your legs while doing the cat-cow. So how it goes is, when you inhale, you look up, belly drops down, stretch on your throat. And when you exhale, take your leg towards your nose. And then when you inhale, bring your leg up, head up, belly drops down. Exhale, keep exhaling and change your leg. Now inhale, look up, chin up, belly drops down. Exhale, again keep exhaling, change your leg. One more time, inhale, look up, chin up, belly drops down. Exhale, change the leg. Inhale, exhale, and relax. You can do it from 5 to 10 times. It will really help with your lower back. If you don't want to include your legs, just doing the cat-cow breathing is really good. I would recommend it for at least 5 to 10 times every day before you start any kind of exercise or any kind of yoga. Just make sure that every time you are becoming like a cow, when you're looking up, you're inhaling. Every time you open your chest, you're inhaling. And every time you're curling down, you're exhaling. As I always say, flexibility is not as important. What is important is that you are doing the asanas correctly, the geometry of your body is correct, and the breathing is on the dot. If you have all those things proper, then flexibility will come eventually. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will be making more videos like this, so please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. If you want me to dissect any other asana for you, please write that in the comment box. I hope you have a happy and healthy day. Namaste.